Hello dear learners, welcome to your own class Top English. Today we are going to learn the format of a message. I think it is useful for all junior and senior classes. Before explaining the format, I would like to tell you what is the message and why do we need it. Actually, the message is an important information to be conveyed. Okay? Understand with this example. Suppose you want to go to your friend's home for studies and your parents are not at home. So how will you inform them? That time you need to write a message so that your parents may know where are you going and when will you return. Sometimes we need to write the messages in offices, companies, schools, etc. So let's understand how to write a correct message with the help of this format. First of all, draw a box like this. You can draw the box at the last also. It's your choice. But the box is compulsory. Now on the top, write message in capital letters. I repeat, write message in capital letters. Then write date on left hand side just below time and then salutation. If you want to write the message to your brother, you will write the name of your brother in the place of salutation. If you want to write your boss, so here you will write the boss or sir. Okay. Now write the content or information to be conveyed. The information may be of 30, 40 or 50 words as we need, but don't exceed 50 words. I repeat, don't exceed 50 words. The use of present, past or future tense depends on the content of the message. Write only the main points. You are not free to add anything to your own. Okay? At the end, write the name of the person writing the message. So finally, the format is complete. Best of luck. I wish your full marks. Share this video with your friends also so that they may also get full marks. For next useful video, please subscribe the channel Top English Classes. We are always ready to bring full marks for the students. Thanks for watching.